welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right. So in this video today, this is part of a collaboration called TABLESCAPE Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So TABLESCAPE Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's any color, style, or theme. And if we have a guest, then they get to choose whatever color, style, or theme that they would like to go with. So today we have a guest, and it is At Home with Lisa. And her theme today is modern earthy tones. So I am your host, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I am so excited to have Lisa. If you have not been over to her channel, I would encourage you to head on over there. Make sure you click that like button, guys. Make sure you subscribe to her channel. She has an amazing channel. Love her content, and I'm actually learning so much from her, especially when it comes to neutral decor. So let's get started, guys. And Lisa, I hope you like this video. So I put together this tablescape, and I had her in mind the entire way. So we're gonna start over here with this vase. So this vase was DIY, okay? And then also the floral on top was also DIY. All of that was Dollar Tree items, guys. Very budget friendly. Then I thrifted this greenery box with ball here. And now I have the runner that's on this table here, and that came from Dollar General. So since we're working from this way, so let me go ahead and tell you. So the candle holders, okay, both of them, black candles, those came from the Dollar Tree. This candle right here, I'm loving that color. So this candle right here came from the plus section of the Dollar Tree. The candle holder came from the Dollar Tree as well. I believe this floral piece came from Dollar General. This sunflower, okay, distressed sunflower, this came from the Dollar Tree. Now you see this tray right here, this came from the plus section of the Dollar Tree. I am loving it. It was definitely worth it. I think at the time it was $5 and there was only one left. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and move over here to this. These flowers are absolutely amazing, guys. So I got these from the Dollar Tree. You have to pick these up either for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. I believe they're tall stem roses. The only thing is I know they just have the white or the red. I'm not even sure I ever saw the pink, but these are absolutely gorgeous. Then what I did was I add eucalyptus pick from Walmart, but these tall stem roses came from the plus section of the Dollar Tree. Then this vase that I have them in, that was a DIY. And I'm using this as a top, but this was also from the Dollar Tree. It's an incense holder. And then I have this bird that I purchased from Kirkland's. So that's what our centerpiece is looking like, guys. Now let's turn around and let me show you what I did here. Okay, so I decided to use these plaid napkins in this color. And the napkin ring came from Party City when they were open. So I think this is beautiful. I went with the natural tones that I had. Now these plates, Better Homes and Garden, but this was thrifted, guys. So this was, I think it's a Walmart item, but these were thrifted. So this was $1.99. I didn't take the price off of them because they're always in the back. And then this is $2.99. So aren't these absolutely gorgeous? So isn't this absolutely amazing? I love this. It's so beautiful. So going with the earth tones, I'm loving this. This was thrifted. It was only 3 in the pack. I took it because I usually do tablescapes for 2, and then I use tablescapes for 1. So, and now we're doing the layering. So we went with the charger, and then so this mesh placemat that came from Hobby Lobby. This burlap placemat came from Hobby Lobby. So let's go ahead and layer this back. So I decided to go ahead and place it like this. Okay. And here we have the charger. All right, so this is a very budget-friendly tablescape, guys. I am loving it. Now, I decided not to place the napkin. I'm sorry about that. I decided not to place the napkin on top. I was going to do it this way, but then I decided to go ahead and leave it on the side here. And then we have these utensils, which I got from Home Goods. Okay, so those utensils are beautiful, guys. So then the wine glasses, they came from Dollar Tree. And then the water glasses, they were thrifted. Very budget-friendly tablescape. But this here was an absolutely amazing buy. I love the candles. Everything that I got here on this table, I put together, and I'm hoping that you guys think it's beautiful, because I do. And I'm hoping that Lisa likes it. So I'm gonna go ahead and head on over to the reveal, and I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys.